Do your legs feel tired, heavy, or even numb by the end of the day? Does poor circulation keep you from enjoying your daily activities? What if I told you there's a natural, powerful way to boost your circulation, and it could be even better than walking? Today I'm going to share a simple, delicious juice recipe that can transform your leg circulation. This natural remedy is packed with ingredients that work together to improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and get you moving with more energy. You've probably heard about these ingredients, but wait until you hear just how powerful they are when combined. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll be ready to start making this juice every day. As we get older, circulation becomes a bigger challenge. When blood doesn't flow properly to the legs, it can lead to discomfort, fatigue, and even more serious issues like varicose veins. And while walking is often recommended to improve circulation, there's something even more powerful you can do to help your legs feel better, naturally. Let's start by looking at the ingredients in this juice. Each one is specifically chosen for its circulation-boosting properties, and the best part? They're all natural, easy to find, and affordable. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll be ready to start making this juice every day. Let's break them down. 1. Beets. Beets are truly nature's superfood when it comes to circulation. They're packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow. Studies show that consuming beets can actually lower blood pressure and enhance oxygen delivery to your muscles. For men over 60, this is crucial for improving leg circulation, reducing fatigue, and supporting heart health. 2. Ginger. Ginger isn't just for flavor, it's a powerful anti-inflammatory and circulation booster. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound that has been shown to dilate blood vessels and improve circulation throughout the body. It can also help reduce inflammation in the legs, which is often a major cause of poor circulation. Ginger is also known to boost metabolism and promote blood flow, making it a great addition for men who want to keep their energy levels up as they age. 3. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries for its health benefits, particularly for its ability to improve circulation. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound that helps relax blood vessels and improve the flow of blood. It also supports healthy blood pressure levels and reduces clot formation, which is key for preventing conditions like deep vein thrombosis, DVT. For older men, garlic can help keep blood flowing freely, especially in the legs, reducing discomfort and promoting better overall circulation. 4. Lemon. Lemon may be the simplest ingredient, but don't underestimate its power. Rich in vitamin C, lemon helps strengthen blood vessel walls and supports the body's ability to absorb iron, an essential nutrient for good circulation. Lemon also acts as a detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins that could be slowing down your circulation. Plus, it balances the alkalinity of the body, which helps improve overall health. Now that we've covered the benefits of each ingredient, here's how you can make this powerful juice for better leg circulation. Ingredients: 1 medium beetroot, peeled, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled, 2 cloves of garlic, crushed, juice of 1 lemon, 1 glass of water or coconut water for hydration. Instructions: start by peeling and chopping the beetroot into small pieces. Grate or finely chop the ginger. Crush the garlic to release its beneficial compounds. Add all the ingredients to a blender and add the juice of 1 lemon. Pour in the water or coconut water to help blend everything smoothly. Blend everything together until smooth, and voila! Your leg circulation boosting juice is ready to drink. It's that simple. You can enjoy this juice once a day, preferably in the morning, to kickstart your circulation for the day ahead. I challenge you to try this juice every day for a week and see how your energy and circulation improve. Ready to take action and give this juice a try? Drop a comment below and let me know when you'll start, and if you're already using any of these ingredients in your routine. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So there you have it. a simple, natural juice that can help boost your leg circulation, improve energy, and support overall heart health. With ingredients like beets, ginger, garlic, and lemon, this juice is a powerhouse for men over 60. Don't let poor circulation hold you back from living your best life. Give this juice a try and see the difference. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life, and share it with someone who could benefit. Thanks for watching.